Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's recipe, I will be cooking deep short ribs hamonado. If you want to know how to make this deep short ribs hamonado, please continue watching and I will show you how to make it. Let's start by combining the marinade ingredients, the pineapple juice, then the vinegar, and soy sauce, then mix. Get the washed deep short ribs and season with ground pepper. Rub all over the short ribs. Then add the marinade mixtures and marinate for a minimum of 3 hours to overnight. After marinating for 3 hours, using a strainer, separate the beef from the marinade liquid. Add the olive oil in the pan, then sear the beef to achieve Maillard effect. Saute the sliced garlic until aromatic, followed by the sliced onion until softened and translucent. Then put it back in the pan, the seared deep short ribs. Then add the marinade mixtures. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes before adding other ingredients. Add the crushed or chunks pineapples with the juice. Followed by the dark brown sugar, oyster sauce, and banana ketchup with the same measurements. Then add water, enough to submerge the beef, followed by the beef cubes to enhance beef flavors. When the liquid is boiling, then set the heat to low and let it simmer until the beef short ribs becomes tender. When the beef ribs tender, let it cool down and put to fridge to set the fat. When the fat is already set, I remove the fat and leave some for flavors. This is an optional step if you think you're healthy and you're up to the flavors. Allow to simmer, then add seasonings. I added kick of spice from pepper flakes. You can also use wild chilies or siling labuyo. I already added the liquid seasoning to the mixtures. Then lastly, the pineapple slices with the juice. I leave some fresh one for decors. I taste before adding the final seasoning. Season with salt and pepper according to your likings. This is an optional step. I separate the beef ribs from the sauce to make a little thicker sauce. Then added the slurry. It's up to you how thick your sauce is. But for me, it's a little thicker sauce, like thin gravy. Pour your sauce on top of beef short ribs hamonado with fresh pineapple slices. Yummy! Let's eat kayami with this yummylicious beef short ribs hamonado with pineapples. Yummy, yummy! Taste, taste. Sarap! Lambot! So soft! See? Malambot. Very tender. Of course, rice is light. Yummy! Please try this recipe. The beef short ribs, any meat like chicken or pork, especially during the holidays, really good because of this pineapple. Smells good. Yummy, yummy. You know, my husband really loved this. He didn't know that I put a little spice, but it's really good. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!